With only a few days left before the new year, the operators of the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, St. James are reporting that they've managed to reduce the waiting time for passengers for both departure and arrival flights. But according to CEO of MBJ Airports Limited, the transition was not smooth. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
A week ago, there was chaos at the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, St. James. Crammed hallways and long lines led frustrated customers to voice their discontent with the extended waiting times. At that time, the Passport Immigration and Custom Agency PICA explained that work was being done to have the matter addressed urgently with the installation of more kiosk machines. Fast forward a week later, things appear to be going better. There are lines, but it's nothing compared to last week. Chief Executive Officer for MBJ Airports Limited, Rafael Echevarne, told us why.
There have been 20 additional kiosks, immigration kiosks, that have been installed, and they are fully operational now, and they are actually helping in expediting the processing of passengers.
And according to the CEO, the installment of the new kiosk came with challenges.
It takes a while, a few days, for things to get back to normal in terms of the use of the machines, but they've been already operating for a few weeks and things are actually going very well. The lines are considerably shorter than in previous years.
In the meantime, work is now on the way to expand the runway, but there have been questions about plans to expand the airport to facilitate the increase in arrivals.
There are other projects, one actually with the extension of the terminal building, and also the extension of the number of car parking spaces and the recirculation of the roads inside the airport. So we're working on all those things, and actually we will be starting the expansion works next year.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.